Hey guys, this is an extremely chaotic video. It opens a can of worms, and I could ramble around like a butterfly for a very long time without ever reaching a conclusion. So it's especially encouraged to please comment and give me some ideas. Anyway, for that reason, I'm going to stick to three pretty specific examples, which are also cans of worms. But tell me if you agree or disagree. We're discussing irony and image. And irony is, check it out in the dictionary. This is pretty close to what it is. It's something that suggests the opposite of what common sense would indicate. And that is very arguable. One example of this is the first photograph ever taken of Earth. Al Gore pointed out that it is the most reproduced photograph in the entire world, if not the most reproduced image in the entire world. And that photograph of Earth, taken by NASA, is an extremely powerful image, and it makes you wonder at the grandeur of our planet, how huh, how full of life it is and vitality. And the thing that would go against that bit of common sense would be the context, the machine that took the picture. That escaped Earth. It went outside of Earth. That's how we got the picture, right? So it kind of makes, if you think about it, the context makes Earth seem less significant. That's the first point. I'm interested in your ideas. The second one, Christ on a cross. That's a pretty popular image in Western religion. Well, Christ, you guys have all kinds of ideas, but to me, the poetry of the New Testament, or however you want to think about Christ, is he's an affirmation of biological life, which I've argued in other videos is inherently moral. It cannot be perfect morally because you have to deprive other living things of their life in order to further your own. And so Christ is a legitimization of biological existence. When you see him on a crucifix, you see him fixated to a technological weapon, an instrument of death. And so I think that's why people are taken aback by it. That's why it confuses people, because it's as if death is being affirmed. Um, that's my second example. My third example is a house. Um, Houses make you think of families or, just living, sustenance, feeding yourself, sleeping, staying warm, or in hot areas, staying cool, excuse me, with air conditioning. Just peace, just a peaceful existence, happiness. That's what a house kind of makes us think of. But especially for me, when I see houses and apartment buildings and stuff like that, this doesn't really have to do with how attractive they are, especially. I could go on about that, but I think about the reality of them. They're also symbols of violence and conflict because there are doors on them. There are locks on those doors. There are alarm systems on some of them. Uh, people have to be very, I mean, they feel like they own that and they have to protect their home from intruders and unwelcome people. So, you know, and there again, privacy, and it's kind of a lack of openness. The people inside might be more open with each other than they are in public, but it's a symbol of a struggle to me, and so that is ironic. So there are three examples, and I'm going to keep this video very short, and maybe I can discuss this in a later video. Thank you very much, and please leave a comment. Thank you.